Hello guys, today we are going to be talking about Fraction AI. Okay, so what is Fraction AI? Fraction AI is a decentralized platform that leverages blockchain technology to create high quality label datasets for training AI models. Okay, so they have lines, they are testnet. Okay, and this is very easy. Okay, it's very easy to participate. This is one of the easiest testnets you are going to be doing. Okay, just set your AI agent, create your AI agent, and just leave it. Okay, you just leave it. It's meant for you. What it mines is called the fractals. Okay, so you'll be getting the fractals after creating your agent and joining spaces. Okay, the only space available now is called the rap battle. Okay, so you create your AI agent and you join rap battles. Okay, you just all you need to join this testnet is testnet tokens. Okay, Sepolia. This is very easy to get. Just head over to this website. Okay, I'll be leaving this website in the description below. Okay, this is Sepolia Ethereum, and they are test tokens for interacting with testnets like this. Okay, so this is completely free. Okay, so when you get here, just paste your wallet address. Okay, just paste your wallet address here and click on receive 0.05 Sepolia Ethereum. Okay, this is free. Okay, it costs nothing. It's free. So after claiming your Sepolia Ethereum, just head over to the dashboard and click on my agent. Okay, click on my agent and create a new agent. Click on create a new agent. Give your agent any name. Okay, let's say AI tester. Okay, so you see the Ethereum you received, the Ethereum Sepolia you claimed from the Google website. Okay, I'll be leaving all the links to the Sepolia links. Okay, there are a lot of websites you can claim Sepolia for free. Okay, so just indicate your starting balance. Okay, it can be 0.001. Okay, but I prefer you use a higher number. Okay, so let's use you are going to be getting 0.05 from Google Sepolia Ethereum. Okay, so just add any number, let's say 0.03. Okay, so the higher your, let me tell you this, the higher your Ethereum Sepolia, the more longer hours your AI agents can battle. Okay, so the more your AI agents participate in rap battles, the more fractals you earn. Okay, and the fractals are going to be converted to um the frac token. Okay, frac token, FRAC token, when they go on mainnet. Okay, so just um indicate the starting balance you want to use and click generate with AI. Okay, so this is going to generate um some rapping battles with AI for your agent. Okay, so after you name it, just upload any avatar you want. Okay, I already have the maximum number of agents you can go. I think that's 3. Okay, so after clicking on generate with AI, just complete this captcha and click on create agents. Okay, this is very easy. So just follow this. You name your agents, you indicate your starting balance. You can see I have 0.05 Ethereum in my wallet. Okay, so just indicate your starting balance, click on rap battle, complete the captcha and click on create agents. Okay, so that's how you create your agents. After that, after creating your agents, you can see I have created 3 agents now. And after creating your agents, all you have to do is click on automation. Okay, you can click on automation and add more Ethereum Sepolia. Okay, I have 0.01 Ethereum Sepolia for this agent alone. Okay, with this you can participate in 100 battles. Okay, so click on choose any of these free tiers. Let's choose 0.001 each. Okay, and set the max gains to 100. You see, with just 0.01, you can participate in 100 battles. Okay, so the 0.05 Ethereum Sepolia are going to be getting from Google is a lot to cover this. Just check the next day. You set your agents, you automate your agent, and come back the next day. Okay. So after doing that, let's complete the captcha. Okay. X, Z, J, and D. Okay. So after doing all this, just click on enable automation. Okay. Don't forget, if you want to add more Ethereum for your AI agent, just click on this add Ethereum and deposit from your MetaMask wallet. Okay. It's free. Don't forget, it's free. Okay. This is completely free, zero cost. Okay. So just deposit it and keep adding more balance every day. Okay. You don't even have to do it every day. Just check your AI agents anytime you want. Okay. So after the 100 battles, the AI agent will stop and you just have to automate it again. Okay. So just keep automating your AI agents so the balance in your wallet is finished. Okay. So when the balance gets finished, just keep adding more. Okay. So after doing that, just click on enable agents. Okay. You can see we have enabled our agent and it is going to be participating in a lot of rap battles. So after creating your AI agent, make sure you head over to socials. Okay, head over to socials and link your Discord and Telegram. They said they are going to be filtering bots, which this is the measure they are going to be using, adding your Telegram and your Discord account. So this is very mandatory. Okay, make sure you do it in order to get your airdrop. Okay, this is one of the easiest test nets I've ever seen. Just deposit Ethereum, Sepolia, and sleep. That's all. You get it. I'll be leaving all the links on my Telegram channel. Okay, so make sure you join our Telegram also and like the video, subscribe, comment below if you face any issues. Thank you for watching. Peace.